Hi, my name's Roger Schluter. This video is actually about crowdfunding and peer-to-peer funding, and this is actually uh, the fourth in a five-part video set on financing your business. The five parts are bank financing, personal ways, other financing, crowdfunding and peer-to-peer financing, which is this one, and then other equity and incubator financing. So anyway, this video is about how to finance your business through crowdfunding and peer-to-peer financing or funding and online financing. These types of financing, are always called alternative financing because you're getting the financing outside of traditional bank financing. We will also cover the different platforms for all these types of financing. So, crowdfunding. What is crowdfunding? Crowdfunding is the person-to-person small investment in your business. This is done on the internet through a platform where you ask for people to invest in your business. The investors will not receive any ownership, but they may get a gift for contributing to your business. Many people like to think they're helping your business to get off the ground, and if they like the business, they will invest in your business, to help you and help your business. Advantages to crowdfunding: people give money in a crowdfunding site. They do not expect to obtain ownership in your business. Those people also do not expect to get paid back for the money that they give to your business. That's the advantages. Now, the disadvantages of crowdfunding is that you will need to have some marketing, usually a short video explaining your business and why you need the funds. You will expend time and resources in order to get small amounts of financing. So, depending on how much you get, if you get a lot of it, then it'd be worth it. But if you didn't get that much, it might not be worth, doing the video and everything. Some crowdfunding patrons expect perks or a small gift for their contribution. This would kind of depend on how much they're giving you, for a large degree. But I guess some larger, if they're given larger amounts, maybe a T-shirt or maybe a coffee mug or who knows what. Sometimes it's something related to the product, especially if these are small consumer products. So anyway, the crowdfunding platforms. There's a number of these. The main platform would be Kickstarter. They're the most known site for crowdfunding. There's another one called, and I'm not sure if I pronounce this right, Indiegogo, usually better for new products. And then there's Fundable, used for small businesses. And then Rocket Hub, applications that are accepted will be assisted in their projects, usually, some sort of management assistance or something. The second one would be peer-to-peer lending. A lot of times it's called P2P, with the P, the number 2, and then P2P. And that, of course, is meaning peer-to-peer borrowing or financing. So anyway, peer-to-peer borrowing started or got more popular after the 2008 recession. This online type of financing cuts out the middleman, and it's all done online, which makes the application and approval process much quicker than the traditional bank financing. Approval and turnaround time can be as little as 3 business days. This type of lending will eliminate most bank fees, but the loan is somewhat based on the individual's credit score. The platform matches the borrower with the lender and is done seamlessly, so you probably don't even realize that. Below are the top peer-to-peer platforms to look at. The one that you sometimes get, and that also has a credit card, I think, is Lending Club. And then number 2 would be Prosper. Number 3, Upstart. Number 4, Funding Circle. And then number 5, Fundrise. And some of these, may have changed. I did check to make sure their websites were still there. So anyway, these are, and then, so those are the ones for the peer-to-peer financing. Online lending. Some of the online lending is done by companies that make loans to businesses online. They can have easier applications with lower borrower requirements. Most are very quick if you're approved. Some borrowers think the overall cost of the loan is lower than banks because these online lenders do not have the many bank fees that most banks charge when making loans. Below are some of the online lenders. The one that's probably the most popular would be Lendio. Some say that's the best. Bluevine would be better in loan variety. Fundbox will give you loans with low credit. I'm sure they're going to cost you. It's going to cost you. You're going to pay for that. And then on deck, it usually looks for more of an ongoing relationship with you. And then Accion, Accion, they usually will do startups. Whatever loan you do go with, just remember to read all the note and the paperwork carefully. If you do not understand the verbiage, show the paperwork to an attorney. Most of the online lenders are not registered like your local bank. This includes the crowdfunding and the peer-to-peer loans. The internet has made borrowing by small businesses quicker and easier, but they still, these are not, a lot of these are not very well regulated. So do be careful if you're using a lot of these online lenders. Most of these financing methods are alternative, like I said, financing method sources other than your usual bank loan, and that's why they're called alternative. They can be faster approvals with simplified paperwork. Many will not look to the credit of the owners to qualify. Some of them do, especially the peer-to-peer and that. So anyway, if you like this kind of content, I hope you'll subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification of future videos. If you receive value, I hope you also hit the like button, and that like button is also used to kind of show this video to more and more people. So the more likes they get, the more they show it to other people, at least through YouTube. So anyway, thank you very much. My name is Roger Schleter, and I will see you in the next video.